In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use WordPress effectively, particularly focusing on editing your pages using Elementor. We're going to break down each step so you can follow along easily and make the most of your WordPress experience. To start, let's log into the WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your site, from writing posts to customizing the look and feel of your web pages. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to navigate over to the Pages menu. This is where all the individual pages of your website are listed and accessible for editing. Next, choose the page you want to update by simply clicking on it. Once you've selected your page, you're going to click on Edit with Elementor. Elementor is a powerful, intuitive drag-and-drop page builder plugin that's incredibly popular for designing WordPress sites without needing to know any code. It allows for great customization and creativity in the layout of your pages. Now, let's talk structure. Using Elementor, you want to start by adding structure to your page with a container or intersection widget. Think of these as the foundational blocks that hold and organize the rest of your content. By setting up your structure this way, you ensure everything else you add stays aligned and neatly organized. Inside these containers, consider using grid widgets. These give you precise layout control, allowing for a well-organized and clean design. They help maintain the aesthetics and functionality of your page by neatly aligning content elements as you wish. Alternatively, if you're looking for a head start, you can click the plus icon within Elementor to add a new section with preset structures, including Flexbox layouts. These preset structures are a great way to quickly lay down an efficient framework that you can customize further. Once you have your structure in place, it's time to add content elements such as text, images, or videos. Drag and drop these elements into your containers and you'll see your page starting to come to life. It's crucial at this point to adjust padding, margins, and alignments to ensure everything looks balanced and aesthetically pleasing. This attention to detail really helps in maintaining visual harmony throughout your design, making sure all your content feels connected and professionally presented. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the changes and the design of your page, don't forget to click Publish or Update. This will save all your hard work and make the changes live on your website for everyone to see. By following these steps, you'll be able to create and customize your WordPress pages efficiently, giving you a beautiful and functional website that stands out. Thank you for watching and happy designing.